Now, the fourth way in which you can make money from home is through blogging. Now, this is something that I have been doing a lot of research on, and there are lots of people who have actually done so well, who have raised or generated a lot of money through blogging. There are people who are actually, doing blogging as a business. That's what they do. They don't do 9 to 5 job. That's what they do. And they've been able to master the art of generating a substantial amount of money through blogging. And I know if this is your first time of hearing this, you're like, how is it possible? Well, it is very possible. First of all, you have to create a website, and then you need to pick a niche, okay? And then you have to now start dropping articles every week, or maybe bi-weekly, or it all depends on your pace. But then, beyond just dropping articles on the website, you must learn the way to generate income with it. First of all, there are people, they connect their website to Google AdSense, and then they take advantage of the ads that is being placed by Google. Although it does not generate a lot of money, but in the financial world, nothing is small. Every money counts. Every money counts, no matter how little it may be. Every other channel of income that adds to your main channel of income, it is always a plus for you. So this is something that you actually need to look into. You have to do the research. Okay, so you can take advantage of Google AdSense. Okay, you can also take advantage of affiliate marketing, where you talk about a particular product through your articles. And when that is done, anyone who clicks on that link that you have kept in that very article, if they click on the link and they buy through that link, you're making a commission. So there are lots of ways you can also go as far as selling your own product through your blogging articles. Maybe you created a digital product. You can talk about that product through your article, and when people are interested in it, they will go ahead and patronize you. So there are lots of ways. If you want to learn more about that, just let me know in the comment box, and I will talk more about how you can make money blogging. Okay, so that's something that it's a broad topic on its own.